Number 10, 7 times 2x minus 3 equals 63. Which equation has the same solution as the given equation? Two ways you can look at this. You could, and I think this is the longer way, you could solve for x here, and then you could solve for x for each of these and see which ones have the same answer. However, there's something I would look at before I started doing all that calculation. Look at this original. It says 7 times 2x minus 3 equals 63. And then look over at all my answers. I have 2 that have 2x minus 3 in them, and 2 that have 2x minus 21 in them. So that gets me thinking. I go, how could I get from this to 2x minus 3 or 2x minus 21 equals something? How could I get this, and is it going to match up one of these? Well, this 7 is what's making it look different, right? All of these are just 2x minus a number. And over here on the right side, we've got this rogue 7 that's messing things up. So what happens if I get rid of that 7? Am I going to get to 2x minus 3, or am I going to get to 2x minus 21? Now, if I were to distribute this 7 through here, that 7 times that negative 3 would get me to a negative 21. But the 7 times the 2x would get me to 14x. Nope, that's not, I'm not going to get there. So it's looking like the C and D, the 2x minus 21, looks like those are going to be out. But what if I divide this whole thing by 7? What if I divide both sides by 7? That will also get rid of this, as I drop my stylus, fling it at the computer. This will also get rid of the 7, which currently is being multiplied by the 2x minus 3. So if I divide it, it undoes that. And that will leave me with just a 2x minus 3 on the left, which, hey, looks an awful lot like our two remaining options. And on the right, we have 63 divided by 7, which is 9. And ding, 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 that is A. 2x minus 3 equals 9. So we don't actually have to solve for x. As long as I can manipulate this original equation into something that is identical to one of these 4, then I know that it will have the same solution because they will be the same equation at that point. So there we go. My answer is A. But again, if you really wanted to figure out what these, what the solution for x is, what x equals to, and then check all 4 of them, you could do it that way too. That is a viable way to do it. We want to do what makes the most sense to you and lets you get the right answer. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.